What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. All right, now y'all seen that title, thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. Got one of my favorite series of shoes, man. We got a Nike Doernbecher shoe from the, I guess, Winter 23 collection, because they did release one earlier this year. Doernbecher on the side, Doernbecher on this side as well. Doernbecher freestyle on the top of the box, man. And the tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk High, DB19, multicolor, women's 10, men's 8.5, man. Let's check these joints out, bro. Now, this Nike Dunk High in particular was designed by Macey Bodily, age 15, hometown Yacourt, Washington, diagnosed with a brain tumor and narcolepsy. Shoe was a Nike Dunk High. She believed she could, so she did. That phrase guides Macey Bodily in everything she does, so she made sure to give it a place of honor on her flower-powered shoe. As for the gray ribbon on the upper, that's to represent her status as a brain tumor survivor. This determined young lady loves baking and has a sweet surprise for you. Inside her shoe, you'll find a recipe to her world-famous chocolate chip cookies, man. I love Doernbecher. I love how Nike and DB give these kids their shine on each and every box. Not only on the shoe, man, they let them tell their story, but they actually push their picture, so everyone knows that buys this shoe, they know exactly who made it, what they're suffering from, the inspiration behind the shoe, man. It's probably the dopest part about Nike, man. Now, on the inside of the box, man, it does come with her cookie recipe. Macey's chocolate chip cookies. It has the recipe, Macey Bodily Doernbecher 23. Now, if you want to screenshot this, I'm gonna hold it for 1, 2, 3, couple of seconds. Go ahead and get that screenshot. You can use this joint if you want to. The inside comes with the Doernbecher box paper, like always, man. Doernbecher freestyle with the Nike sign. Now, here we have Macey Bodily's Nike Dunk High from 2023, a part of the Doernbecher collection, man. Now, off the rip, you can see it does have a lot of flowers and a lot of pink hits. Let's check this joint out and see if you're rocking with it. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, that toe box is laced in a very, very light powder pink. At least I think it's powder pink. It does look kind of white in certain lights, and it looks like a very, very light powder pink in certain lights, but it's a smooth leather going across the toe box. Into the side of the shoe, man, it's like a cloth material with a bunch of flowers embroidered throughout the whole shoe right there. Getting into the side panel, it's like that light pinkish white color again, and that swoosh is in a very, very nice, soft suede. Really, really nice material there. Now, getting to the back of the shoe, it has that same like material with the flowers embroidered throughout the material, and it does have a ribbon here, and that's for her being a brain tumor survivor. And it also has her famous quote right here: "She believed she could, so she did." Man, I like that she adds her own personal touch to the shoe. I know that's what Doernbecher does, but I just love to see it every time. Getting to the back of the shoe, it has that same material with the flowers. It has that nice soft pink suede going across the back heel tab as well, man. Get to the inside of the shoe, has the same materials as well. Just a bunch of flowers going around these joints, bro. These joints kind of look like Patrick Star shorts if you any SpongeBob fans. Now, getting to the other swoosh on the inside, it does have the same powder pink, soft suede on that swoosh. And the same material going across the front of this shoe as well, with the flowers embroidered throughout the shoe. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, those laces are actually a nice suede lace. I don't really see that very often, man. Nice soft suede laces. And it also has that light pink suede going all the way up the eyelets and lace holes, and that nice soft suede that matches the Nike swoosh that's on the side of the shoe. Now, on the tongue, it does have a cookie because she loves to bake cookies, and it has her cookie recipe that's included inside of the box, but it also has a cookie recipe on the back of the tongue as well. Now, just giving you guys a look at that recipe, it says Macey's chocolate chip cookies, and it gives you the full recipe that I showed you earlier on that card. The inside of the shoe is that same nice soft cloth suede material, and on the insole is the same with the flowers, and it has a big pink flower going across the back of the insole, man. Really dope shoe on this joint so far. Now, getting to that midsole, man, it's a nice all-white midsole, or a light powder pink midsole. I can't really tell. In some lights it look powder pink, in some lights it look white. It does have the pink midsole stitching. As I mentioned earlier, man, she believed she could, so she did. And on the outsole, man, it looks like it has like the recycled looking pieces like they use on the Next Nature Dunks. And it's in a light pink color as well. Solid color going throughout the whole entire outsole. And I also want to point out her lace tip. They gave them like a blue tint plastic tip going across these lace tips, man. Really nice details on these. Super light powder pink. It's definitely a good one for the ladies. A good one for the youngins, man. A good one for the kids. A good one for the cookie lovers. And it's definitely a collector's shoe for like the men. I personally won't be able to pull this joint off, but it's a dope shoe, and it's a nice one to have just for the collection at least. But solid shoe so far, man. Let's check out this right shoe. Now getting into that right shoe, just the same as the left, man. It has the flower embroidered material going across the front, toe cap going all the way around. Has the nice soft powder pink suede. It has the ribbon there for being a brain tumor survivor. Then get into those flower stitching as well going through the back of the shoe. This one also has the quote, "She believed she could, so she did." Has the pink hit going across the back of the shoe on the pull tab. Same thing on the inside with the pink and the flower color pattern. It does have like the light pink or white mid panel, and the same thing going across this toe box. Now for some reason, man, the toe box on this one is like a lot softer than the left shoe. This one looks like a smooth, like Panda Perfect Dunk. This one's like a really soft tumble material, so I'm guessing like per pair you may get a super soft leather, or some pair you may not get a soft leather. But this one is kind of mismatched on the toes, but still a clean shoe for sure. But this one just a lot softer than the other. Has the same laces on this side in that white suede looking color on the laces, white tongue with the cookie on the tongue tag, and this one also has the recipe on the back of this tongue tag as well. Now as far as extras, it did come with extra laces. It comes with a pair of pink tie-dye laces and a pair of white, like thicker dunk laces as well, man. Really dope that they added a couple of extras with this shoe. Really nice materials on these joints. I would have loved for this joint to be like a cutaway material, but it is what it is. Now they did add some extras on both shoes with like the off-white style, like zigzag stitching that they usually use, and that's something that you really don't see on dunks. And they have one on this side as well, on both shoes, on the inside and outside of the shoe, man. Super dope there. But y'all drop a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Now I was able to cop these joints in person at my local shoe palace this morning on release day. We were one of the few cities that actually got these joints. I know a couple of DTLRs did, a couple of Shoe Palace, maybe even a couple of Nike stores, but I was able to grab these joints and a pair of the Air Max. They didn't get their full shipment of 3s yet, so hopefully I can grab one sometime this week. But we got these joints so far. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Now the price on these joints was 125 bucks. It was like 135 out the door. That's a pretty decent price on a dunk with like these pretty good materials with the extras as far as the laces. And like all of the details added to this shoe, man. 135 isn't bad for this shoe in particular, man. I know a lot of people won't gravitate towards this shoe because of like the flowers and the pink, but the ladies will love it and the kids will love it for sure. And it's definitely an inspirational shoe, man, as a lot of the Doernbecher shoes are. Now as far as resale pricing, man, these joints are going for like $250 this morning. Now you can find pairs for like $180 to like $220. Now I'm predicting that price to drop down closer to retail, maybe even below retail at some point. It's a very hard shoe to wear. I don't see this joint being super duper sought after, but as far as what it means and the details of the shoe, man, it's a super dope shoe. But resale is a real thing, man, so I gotta cover that in my videos, bro. But definitely reasonably priced as far as retail, and I think resale will come down once a lot of the Nike pairs ship in, and people will go ahead and move their initial pairs they grabbed of these joints this morning. But you definitely will be able to grab these joints for a reasonable price sooner rather than later. Now as far as quality and quality control, man, it's a really nice quality shoe, man. It's a nice quality suede, some nice quality materials going across that toe and the back of the shoe, man. Really nice embroidery hits, man. I love they added her quote here. Got some nice embroidery on the back with the flowers and the ribbon. Some nice pink suede hits going across that swoosh and going across the back of the shoe as well. You got the cookie there going across the front, man. Nice details, really nice quality. But as far as quality control, man, this is just on one of the pairs that I've seen so far. I haven't checked the other pairs that I had, but this one has like the softer, like more warped, I would say, leather on the toe box. And this one is a more smooth, more perfect looking toe box. But other than that, there's no crazy flaws on the shoe other than the toe box being kind of wrinkly with the leather on the right shoe as compared to the left. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this Nike Dunk High in the Doernbecher 2023, man. Designed by Macey. Cookie lover, sneaker lover, man. This is a really good shoe. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. This is the cop or drop. You dripping, flipping, skipping. You grabbing these for your ladies. You grabbing these for your youngin', man. Let me know. Just leave a comment down below. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk High from the Doernbecher collection 2023. Shout out to Macey and the designers on this joint, man. Peace. About to go make me some of these cookies in a minute.